Okay, this is VX Walmart bank line 276. This here is number 18 for 276, and number 36, which is much thicker, for 866. Fishing area. Very nice wood handle. Real nice. Man, this is a nice set here. Anodized aluminum. Big though for what I was looking for, but very nice. A little expensive, $30. But no metal cups. I'm not impressed. And no stainless steel water bottles. There's a nice item. Super lightweight, packable day pack. I may think about that for my briefcase kit. Look at that. Full-size pack. Major score there. Good project box. Well, that was worth coming. I got all this stuff here, about $30. But honestly, sometimes Amazon is a lot easier. It's the people factor. I mean, I like people, okay, but it just seems a pain sometimes, like we're all cattle in the trough or whatever. But I was really disappointed that I couldn't get a steel cup. But I got me some stainless steel wool, 3 grades, denatured alcohol, $6. I wasn't too happy with that. I think this is a real score, $2 for bank line. And this, $2 something for, look at those needles, man. That is heavy duty. And a pouch. I know there was a brown tarp that was more, rated for supposedly a tent fly and all that, but I just didn't like the brown. I wanted light green, but I like silver. It was cheap. So you wear it out, get another one, right?